Hello my creative friends, Olga from Smart Art Materials here, and today I'm going to do a Dutch pour technique. I have been inspired by Rinske Douna, I hope I'm pronouncing her name right, and I'm sure many of you have already seen this technique, and I think it's very feminine and beautiful, and I'm very excited to share it with you guys. So this is my second attempt at this technique, and the first one was a big time fail. I have made a few mistakes that just turned my painting into a complete mess, and this is something I also want to share today so you can avoid those mistakes. Also today I finally get to experiment with color shift paint with these two beautiful colors. I wanted to do that for a while, so I'm very excited. And at the end of the video I'll show you the way the dry painting looks. That's supposed to be pretty cool, so we'll see. The way I mixed my paint today was different from my normal mixture that I use for other techniques, and I have all the details in the description of the video. Also, don't forget the hair dryer, and it's nice if it has such attachment. Alright, let's get started. So today I'm working on a deep 10 by 10 canvas. And the first mistake that I made in my previous Dutch pour is I used the wrong white color as my base. I used a cheaper white paint, and for this technique, if you want to get nice little cells, you need to use titanium white. And the reason is that titanium white paint is quite heavy, so what happens is when it sits on top of other colors, it begins to drown, forming the cells. So yes, definitely use the titanium white. The second mistake was the consistency of the paint. My paint was too thick, and the normal warm honey-like consistency did not work for this technique. And the reason is that the thicker paint is much harder to move around the canvas with a blow dryer. So add some extra distilled water to your mixture, including the base color. Well, this is not too bad. In my previous Dutch pour, I overworked it with a blow dryer and my colors overmixed too much. And I don't want to do it again, so I will do any further adjustments without it and will blow directly on a paint. And my next mistake was dipping my hair in the paint while blowing, because you get pretty close to the canvas. So as you can see, lesson learned, and now my hair is up in the braid. So this composition is alright, and as I go over it with a torch, a lot of cute little cells are showing through. But I don't really like this purple flash spot in the center. I feel like it's too big and too purple. So I'm going to continue blowing and working on it until I feel happy about the overall color composition. Alright, I think I'm pretty happy about it now, and I better stop blowing before I mess it up. I don't know if you can see the details, but all these little cells and color transitions are just super pretty. Now I just want to show you the way it looks when dry. So here it is, 2 days later. Look at these cute little cells and the details. And the aqua color shift looks so beautiful. Just look at this sheen. Actually, this ultramarine that is not color shift also looks pretty good. I am so going to resin this pour. It will probably make those colors pop even more. If you want to give these colors a try, I have all the links in the description. Unfortunately, the gold is covered with other colors and is only shown through the cells. So I did one more Dutch pour with the same colors, but I positioned them differently from light to dark. Needless to say, I'm very happy with the results. One is darker, one is lighter, but both are very nice. Which one do you like best? Let me know, and please give this video a like if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.